Welcome to AM Electrical, and today our topic is about design of any logo of your company. Suppose you have a company and you do not have much money to buy a logo. So what should we do? Now today I am using the new browser. It is Microsoft Edge, and it uses Bing for a search engine, not Google. So we have to search. You can search it in Chrome or anything, that logo maker. Now this page opens and you have to go here, taylorbrands.com, logo maker website. Create your logo in 5 minutes. So click on that. Now this page opens in your desktop or mobile. You have to put the name of your company. I am putting SS, something like that. Here you can add tagline, the deliver faster or fast as light. Okay, now you have to click on design. It will take some time to make the logo, so we have to wait. And your internet connection speed also can affect this speed of making the logo. I am pausing the video, or it may be lengthy. Now this page open in your front, and here you have to select, or you can also skip. Now I am selecting I sell products. What type of business you are choosing, you can select it from here. Others also, here is the other option, you can go and check. Here the options, what do you provide, how do you provide the service, only in person, online in person, or in person. I am choosing only online. Here you have to write what type of industry you are opening. So online retail or online sale, online shop, online store, you can choose anything. I am choosing, or here you can write anything you prefer for your business. I am choosing online business, and next. Here you have to put the thing that you are trying to sell, or example, we are small located location, your location, and these things. Here you can choose logo type, icon based, name based, initial based. Initial, I am choosing name based. Now from here you can choose the style of your company logo. You can choose from this, then these things. I am choosing one of this. You have to choose 3. Now the designer will work on your preferences and create your, and now the after completing the process you have to give your email address and other things. So I am giving that. Now the it is ready, the logo, and you can scroll from here and for many other styles like this I am using this logo. From here you can download the logo easily. Now this page opens and you have to click on this logo and click it out, download a sample. For high quality logo you have to pay, and it is okay if we download a sample, it is okay. Or if you are interested in high quality, then you have to upgrade and then you can download high quality logo. I am downloading this. This is JPG format or PNG format. So here you can see that it is downloading in zip file. We have to unzip and we can see. And if the download sample picture download is fails or does not work, as I seen that in the last few days that they are changing the sample, and you can easily go to here and make a right click on that, go to save image, and from here you can save. See, it is done. So in this way you can create your own logo, and also you can customize your logo from this website, and everything can be possible in this way. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share. Thank you.